Let's be frank, folks. Midjourney demonstrates impressive capabilities in transforming text into images. However, for those taking their first steps into the realm of AI, committing $10 per month to training may not be a viable option. This led me to explore various text-to-image generators that offer performance akin to Midjourney, while Leonardo AI stands out as a top choice. It's worth noting that some of its advanced features are accessible only to paid users. Other image generation tools like Bull Willow, DALL-E 2, or Playground do not match the capabilities of Midjourney. But here's where it gets interesting. I stumbled upon another remarkable tool that could be considered superior to Midjourney, and the best part is, it's free. Furthermore, there's an opportunity to earn money using this tool. I'm confident you'll find it intriguing, so let's jump right in. Allow me to introduce TensorArt, a brand new AI innovation capable of producing images like the ones you see here. In my opinion, it represents the most impressive free alternative to Midjourney. Let's begin from scratch as I guide you through accessing TensorArt. I provided a link to their official website in the video description below. Upon reaching their website, you can create an account on TensorArt. Simply click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner and a pop-up window will appear. You have the option to create a free account using your email, although I personally prefer the Google sign-in method. Upon successful registration, you'll receive 100 free credits daily. Each image creation consumes 1 credit, granting you the ability to generate up to 100 images daily at no cost. Now let's explore the user-friendly interface where the real creative magic happens. TensorArt distinguishes itself from other similar tools through its extensive array of diverse models. Allow me to elaborate. Under the Models section, scroll down to find a plethora of images, each generated using various models developed by different entities, including individual users. It may surprise you to learn that some models cater to content intended for individuals over 18, content that might be restricted in other image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo. Unfortunately, I cannot showcase these mature models in this video to prevent any content-related issues. However, if you're interested, you can explore them independently. Now let's get to the image creation process. Begin by clicking on Workspace. Upon entering the Creator page, the first step is selecting a basic model. Click on the drop-down menu for basic models and you'll discover an extensive collection. You can choose from 1,000 models, each designed for different styles and applications. While you can access Stable Diffusion XL for free, there are options ranging from anime styles and realistic styles to game assets, cartoons, sci-fi, and more. Select a model that aligns with your desired style. Next, there's the LoRa option, which serves as a valuable tool for refining your images. It helps resolve issues such as unrealistic distortions in hand and facial features that may arise during image creation. I'll demonstrate its utility later in a practical example. Additionally, there's the Control Net feature. Now let's tackle the text prompts. In the text prompt box, enter the description of what you want in your image. For reference, I'm using a prompt generated by ChatGPT. Conversely, in the negative prompt box, specify aspects you wish to avoid in your image. TensorArt also allows you to generate an image from another image using its image-to-image functionality. The aspect ratio can be adjusted as well. TensorArt's default ratio is 2:3, but you can opt for landscape, square, or even enter a custom ratio. Finally, select the number of images you want to generate in one go. For this example, I'll generate 4 images. Now let's hit the Generate button. The results are impressive, but there's room for improvement. To enhance our creations, I'll introduce the LoRa model. Simply click on Add LoRa. You'll discover a wide range of LoRa models to choose from. Select one that complements your chosen basic model and style. Now let's regenerate the image using the same prompt. Notice the difference? The level of detail is remarkable, akin to photographs with high quality. The lighting, composition, and overall quality are top-notch. You can further refine your creations by adding more LoRa models. The next feature to explore is Control Net. This advanced tool allows precise control over aspects such as pose, composition, outline, and brightness, fostering unparalleled creativity. Suppose you wish to create an image with a specific static pose. Click on Open Pose and select a suitable model. You can even use an image or drawing as a reference for added customization. Now let's generate an image with this specific pose. Isn't it perfect? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Let's now examine the image-to-image rendering tool. You can load an arbitrary image as a reference and use the same prompt to create a related image. TensorArt seamlessly incorporates elements from the reference image into the generated output. I'm using an image I have. You can use any image you like. Look at these results. AI continues to amaze me every day. Alright, now let's explore some of TensorArt's advanced options. The Seed tool enables consistent image generation. If you desire randomness, leave it blank. The Hires Fix feature allows you to upscale your image, offering various upscale versions. Additionally, the Autoteller tool can rectify unrealistic distortions in hand and facial features. You can also combine these features with LoRa models for enhanced results. Let's generate images using these advanced features. If you were wondering how you can create such masterpieces with these features, I will leave a link to the site in the description. I passed these parts quickly so as not to steal your time. Now let's discuss an exciting opportunity with TensorArt. If you're a developer with your image generator model, you can potentially earn income through TensorArt. By hosting your model, you gain copyright control, and TensorArt compensates you when users utilize your model. As we conclude, I'd love to hear about your experiences with TensorArt and your image creations. Please share your thoughts and results in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy creating.